GATE 2020 Civil Engineering Set 2 Question 14. A triangular direct run of hydrograph due to a storm has a time base of 90 hours. The peak flow of 60 meter cube per second occurs at 20 hours from the start of the storm. The area of catchment is 300 km square. The rainfall excess of the storm needs to be found in centimeter. Four options are given: 2, 3.24, 5.4 and 6.48. The relevant NPTEL lecture has been cited. Coming to the useful data for this question, the concept of hydrograph needs to be understood. So if we have a hydrograph which looks somewhat like this, where this indicates the flow in meter cube per second and this is our time, so it will have a certain peak flow which is known as QP. The base of the hydrograph will be known as TB. So the area under this whole hydrograph will indicate the total runoff for the storm event. So let us say the area was H under the whole hydrograph. This will be equal to the catchment area into the rainfall excess. So using this relation, one of the three variables can be found. In this question, we have been given a triangular hydrograph which has a base period of 90 hours. So the base period here is TB equals 90 hours. The peak flow is 60 meter cube per second, and this has occurred 20 hours since the start of the storm. The area of the catchment is 300 square kilometers and rainfall excess needs to be determined. So using the relation that we saw in the previous slide, that is hydrograph area equals catchment area into delta H. So hydrograph area for a triangle would be half into base, that is 90 hours, into the peak flow, that is 60, into, here we are taking time in hours but here it is in meter cube per second, so we need to convert the hours into seconds, which will be 3600 equals area of the catchment is 300 square kilometers. This will be converted to square meters by using the factor of 10 to the power 6 into delta H. This would give delta H equals 90 into 30 into 3600 by 300 into 10 to the power 6. Delta H would come out as 0.0324 meters. This can be converted to centimeters since the options in the question are in centimeter. This would give around 3.24 centimeters as the rainfall excess. This was determined using the relation that the area under a hydrograph is equal to the total runoff volume for the storm event. So a triangular hydrograph was given whose base period, peak flow were known, the area of the catchment was given, the rainfall excess was determined as 3.24 centimeters, which is option B. The relevant NPTEL reference has been cited.